Hello guys. So as you can see, my head's not in the shot at the moment because I've got a new haircut and I've dyed my hair. You ready to see it? 3, 2, 1, ba-ding! I am now a blonde head. So, what's up, Super Blaze fam? Super Blaze back here with another awesome video. And today I am joined by Wembley. Also, apologies, he can't speak because the original speaker is not here. So he's going to be mute today. But we are going to be doing a challenge. I've seen this challenge from a different YouTuber and it inspired me to do it. And I just do it for fun sometimes. But Wembley's going to be joining me. We're going to be trying to see if we can, how many times we can make ourselves sneeze. And he's going to be involved. Do you think you're going to sneeze? You don't think you're going to sneeze? Well, I definitely think I'm going to sneeze. So I am going to try and find something to use. So are you. And I'm going to do it for you because you can't move your hands by yourself. So we'll be back in a second. Alright, so what we've got is we've got these Q-tips, which we're going to use to make ourselves sneeze. We'll take it in turns because we can't both do it at the same time. So I'll go first. Also, if any of you find this disgusting, you can leave this video. I'm not forcing you to stay, but it's just a fun challenge that I saw. So here we go. See if I can do it. It's not working. It's not doing anything. Well, let me try again. Nothing's happening. There we go. It's your turn next. Okay, so just move it around. Nothing? Alright, let's try it again. Oh. Got it. You sneezed. Don't wipe your nose on your hand, that's disgusting. It's okay. Alright. My go. Okay. So we've both got 1 point at the moment. Two points. Okay, Wembley. All right, we've both got 2 points now. Okay. Don't worry, you'll be able to speak again soon. Alright, my go. Wembley, get off my ear. Oh, come on. It's really deep in there. Ah. That was a crazy one. I think we should do it at the same time, for fun. Okay. Yeah. Nothing happening yet? Nothing's happening! Wembley, where did Q-tip go? Oh, it's down here. Mine's still on my nose. I can't get it to work. Come on. I don't think you guys understand how deep this is in my nose. Oh, come on. Nothing's working! Wembley! He really wants me to sneeze at this point. Nothing. Ugh. Okay, Wembley. You get to go again. Get another point. I don't care. Oh, and by the way, Wembley's got his ears pierced. I pierced them for him. Anything yet? Oh. Your sneezes are really cute. I don't think I've ever heard you sneeze before. That was a bit strange. Is your nose a bit runny? Hold on, guys. We're just gonna go give our noses a bit of attention. 1 second. Wembley's just in the toilet blowing his nose. Ugh. Whew. Okay, guys, I've got a really good idea. While Wembley's gone, I'm going to try and get some extra points. Don't tell him anything. Okay, let's do this, guys. Okay. I need to be quiet, otherwise he'll hear me and then he'll be really angry at me. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Ow, ow, that hurts. Need to like move it around a bit. There we go. So I'm on 5 points, by the way, and he's on 4. No, wait, no, he's on 5 and I'm on 4 points. Why is nothing working? Come on, Wembley's gonna be up in a few minutes. Dang it! Okay, let's resume. Yep. Okay. Yes, 5. I think your Q-tip might be a bit weak. Wait. Anything? Anything? Oh, it's lingering. It's lingering. It's lingering. Oh, that was 3. Snorty. I'm snorty. Snorty. Okay, I think we'll do one more round, and I'm on 5 points right now and he's on 4. So if I sneeze, I win, but if he sneezes, we draw. Okay. Let's do this. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And whoever loses has to send a really embarrassing photo to someone. So come on, Wembley, you better sneeze, otherwise you have to send a horrible photo. And if you sneeze, then none of us have to do it. I kind of wanted to send the photo, though. Oh my god, my nose is running. Oh no, please! Please don't! Dang it! Oh. Well, I guess none of us have to send a really embarrassing photo. I really wanted you to do it. Hey! Don't you hit me. Oh. I accidentally swallowed that. But I'm okay. Here you go, Wembley. Are you okay? Oh! Wembley! Are you okay? You fully launched yourself. He's alright. I think he just blew his nose too hard that he went flying. You're right. He's fine. Now I gotta blow my nose. Holy Jesus. Okay, well, none of us won, so that means none of us has to send a really embarrassing photo on, to our family members, so that's good. Yeah, this was a really random video to film, so like it if you liked it, or dislike it if you didn't like it, and you can leave a comment in the comment section. And you can maybe send some ideas of what me and Wembley can do next, until the original speaker comes back, or when he's able to film. And me and Wembley are kind of matching, hair colour wise. We're both blonde now, but he's got a bit of green highlights. And hopefully Wembley will be better soon. And yeah. We both really hope you like this video, and the rules: stay awesome, stay fantastic, and the most important rule, anyone who's a Super Blaze fan out there should know this rule by now: stay yellow. Goodbye, guys. Bye.